Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of a summertime pasta salad. So let's get to it. Get some water boiling, some salted water, and we're going to be using the Artichoke Farfalle number 93. Farfalle are like bow tie or butterfly. So I'm going to use about half this container, so this is about a pound. I'm going to use about a half a pound. Give it a stir and put the lid on until it boils, and then remove the lid. First, we're going to slice up about a half or quarter of our large cucumber, English cucumber. You can leave the skin on if you like. I think it works well. Tomatoes. Olives. Okay. And we're just going to have some Artichoke Hearts, some Feta crumbles, some Pepperoni Slices, roasted bell peppers. If you want to see how I made these, you can check out the video I leave on the link here or down in the description section. Strain the pasta. I'm just straining the pasta here. And cool it off with some cold water. We want to stop the cooking process. Or you can let the pasta just cool in the fridge or something just to make it cold. You can even use ice water if you want. So now that we're letting the pasta cool a little bit, kind of drain, we want to make sure it's kind of dry so we don't have soup in our pasta salad. So I've taken the liquid from my roasted peppers. It's actually roasted garlic and pepper. This is the liquid from it. So we're going to use that as the seasoning, the dressing for the pasta salad. Also got garlic powder, onion powder, some Italian seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to add this into the dressing. Balsamic white vinegar. Now, if you want to see how I made that, the liquid for the roasted red peppers, you can watch the video in the description. I'll leave a link there. I'm going to add some olive oil too. And we're going to give this a nice shake. Make sure we get everything incorporated. So get our bowl of all the mixture. Bring our pasta over. Give it a shake. Make sure we get all that water out. And get it right into the bowl. Get my spoon and give it a... You don't want to go too hard on this. You want to go nice and easy. As you turn that, want to make sure we get everything kind of incorporated nice and lightly. We don't want to break anything up or crush anything. And we're going to get some of this dressing. And I'm going to pour a little bit over the top. And give it another little toss here. Get some fresh basil here from my Aero garden back here. So we're just going to break some of this in here. You can throw whole leaves in there. It's up to you. Oh, get that in there. And this gives it a nice freshness, nice sweet basil. Just taste it for flavoring. Make sure we get enough salt and flavoring in it. Tastes really good. And we're just going to grate some fresh Parmigiano Reggiano on the top. Just get enough on there to give it some nice flavor, a little bit of texture. And now you can leave this in the fridge. The longer it sits, the more it absorbs the flavors. They kind of just marry in there and give you a nice flavor, a couple hours at least, you know. So if you're taking this into to a cookout, this is good cookout food. There's no mayonnaise in it, no eggs. You know, it's all fresh vegetables. so it'll hold for quite a bit. So just get some in a bowl here, and you can always get some more cheese on the top, whatever else you want to add to it. It's up to you. Let me know in the comment section below how you make your pasta salad, if you do the creamy side or you prefer the more dressy side with an Italian dressing or a Greek dressing, depending on what you like. You get the vinegar, kind of breaks up all that oil, so you get that salad flavor. You get the pasta, gives you a little bit of texture. The cheese. Let's not forget the olives. Now you can add green olives in here too if you like. If you enjoyed this and you plan on making it, let me know. Let me know what you think if you do make it. Give us some likes, some shares, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.